It's Ronnie, licensed real estate agent in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania, back with another great down payment assistance video. Now today I'm talking about First National Bank. Now First National Bank has several programs and some with a few moving parts, but stick with me. This is something that you definitely want to know about and something that I think everyone should take advantage of. Now the first program is the Community Uplift Program. This program provides home buyers, and you do not have to be a first-time home buyer, up to $15,000 in down payment assistance. Now, just to clarify, when it comes to being a first-time or second-time home buyer, you cannot be on the deed or own another property at the time of purchase when using this program. Now, with this program, it only works in areas where the census considers it to have 50% or more minorities that live there. And I'll be sure to put the link in the description to the census tract so that you can search areas just to see if the area that you are interested in moving to qualifies for this program. Now, each area qualifies for a different amount of money. Just to give you an example, if you were looking to move into PG County, then you could get $5,000 towards your down payment. Now, on the flip side of that, if you were looking to live in or move to Baltimore City, you could take advantage of the entire $15,000. Now, here's the great part about this. This is a grant. You do not have to pay this money back. The only stipulation is that you hold on to the home for at least 3 years. After 3 years, the money is 100% forgiven. Now, there is no mortgage insurance when it comes to this program. The great thing about that, with no mortgage insurance, you do not have to pay that extra portion every month. The mortgage insurance protects the money itself. There is no maximum income limit. And lastly, the minimum credit score to get access to this is a 620 credit score. Now, the next program is the First National Bank Home Ownership Plus, which gives you $5,000 in closing assistance. Now, the $5,000, it's not like the Uplift where it's area specific. Just for purchasing a home through First National Bank, they will credit you to $5,000 towards your closing costs. Now, for anyone that's new here, buyers have two responsibilities. Number one, their down payment, and number two, their closing costs. Now, I try to get sellers to pay the closing costs for most of my buyers. 99% of the time it works, but the 1% of the time it doesn't work. But you can use this towards your closing costs or to buy down your interest rate. And the next great thing about this, these programs can be combined. So you can combine the $15,000 or up to $15,000 and the $5,000 to reduce your costs. And all of this money is forgivable. They are grants. The key word is always grants. Now, lastly, they have a 100% financing program. Now, I am not a fan of 100% financing programs. Here's the reason why. You are rolling your closing costs and you are rolling your down payment into the loan, which means you will be paying interest on your down payment and on your closing costs. See, with buyers that I work with, I always try to remedy the closing costs by getting the seller to either contribute or pay all of them to assist them with getting into the home. So that way you're not ending up, what some call upside down on a home, because you're rolling in other costs into the home that you don't need to roll into the property. And the grant programs that they have can remedy that, but that's not how a 100% down payment assistance program works. Now, it may be for somebody and it may not be for others, but it's an option, especially because they are grants. There's no interest rate increase on any of them if you use any of these programs, unlike state down payment assistance like the Maryland mortgage program, right? Just to use that as an example to compare to this. These are grants. There are no other strings attached. If you have the credit score and if you're looking to purchase in these areas that have a 50% or more minority population, this is something that could work for you. But again, I hope this helps. Feel free to reach out to me if you ever have any questions. My information is always down below. And again, it's Ronnie, licensed real estate agent in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.